black people are actually so discriminated against, and police brutality is such a bad thing in America.
They hate us, but they love our culture.
Like, they don't use guns, so they think like, oh, since they're not allowed to use guns, they're kind of better.
Us among black people need to support each other. Don't just be here looking at what, oh, nothing's not going. Like, support each other.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Miriam. As you can see, I have some guests with me over here.
Oh, my name's Mariah. Oh wait, you have to cut that part out.
Okay,
hi guys, I am Queen Muzzy. I have a YouTube channel called Queen Muzzy.
it will be in the link in the description down below. Keisha.
I'm Keisha. That's it.
I'm Shireen. That's it.
I'm Medel, and I also have a YouTube channel, Medel Chinzi.
That'll be in the description down below. So today, guys, we're here to talk about a very important topic that's been going on social media, everywhere,
Literally.
basically. Okay, so like we want to talk first about like police brutality and what's been going on, and we just want to bring our perspective into it and so on. So yeah, like, what do you guys think about police brutality and what's going on around the world right now?
Okay, guys, personally, I think about police brutality, I think it's a bit too much. Like, it's not necessary. And you guys, and it's always towards black people, black young kids, black females, black males, everyone. And there's no reason behind it. And in your head, you make up reasons, so because the colour of our skin, everyone will believe it. But really and truly, it's not true. And this, the George Floyd, what happened to him?
Yeah.
It was upsetting.
Yeah, very.
And someone was recording and you did not care.
Didn't
And
talk
because
about it.
you didn't even hesitate. And there's four of you guys there, and it's just,
Yeah. For me, like, I just feel like if George Floyd's incident was not recorded, we wouldn't have had this whole protest.
No.
We wouldn't have, addressed the issue of police brutality in America. None of this would have happened. Like, there are so many people every single day in America who are killed by the police. But yet they're not recorded. George Floyd was like a significant moment for us, like, to realize that black people are actually so discriminated against, and police brutality is such a bad thing in America. Yeah.
But it's so sad that like someone actually had to actually lose their
Yeah.
life for us to like
realize,
come to that.
for people to realize.
Yeah.
It's so sad.
Imagine if you never recorded it, we don't know nothing.
No one would
Yeah.
care. No, I mean, no one would do this protest.
And
But
the police, the policeman would have gotten away with
Yeah,
it.
like,
you know how
Yeah.
he probably has killed so many people. Nobody knows.
Yeah.
Like, police are killing
And
people.
they tried to do third degree murder.
I
Yeah.
know.
Oh,
Third degree murder means accident.
But they have to change it to
Yeah.
two.
But if that was a black policeman who like maybe
He
just
would've
touched
got
a white man,
first
would have lost his
degree.
badge.
He would have lost his job straight away.
He would have gotten
They've been
first
jobless
degree
by now.
murder, everything, but it just comes down to white privilege.
Privileges, yeah.
Because it's a white man, they are discussing it in court. First, they didn't want to charge this man.
They didn't.
And
There's
all
proof.
the evidence
There's
was on
evidence
camera.
on camera, exactly.
All that evidence was on camera. Even if a black person did it and there was no evidence and someone just witnessed
Said
it,
it,
first
yeah.
degree murder straight away.
Yep.
First degree, and that's
just
what
feel sorry for
is
his
mad.
I just feel sorry for his family
Yeah,
as well.
for real. His family must be.
Grieving
He
them.
has 3 kids. He left 3 kids. Yeah,
no, just
I
one.
think 3 kids. He left them behind. Everything, like,
And the white
just
people-
for counterfeit money, $20 counterfeit money, you killed someone. There's something. There's just so much wrong with, the incarceration system, everything. It was just designed against black people and so on. And yeah. So yeah, we also think like the UK is not innocent, in all this. Like, they aren't innocent. Like, there's a lot in the UK's education that we don't learn about in, you know,
Yeah.
we don't learn about
In detail.
about like black people, what British people did, because British people, they tend to act innocent and all their things.
And accepting. They act like they're accepting. They're not. You can see they hate us, but they love our culture, and it's ridiculous. It's not only it's not only just from school. Even like in the streets, the police they'll see a black man and think there's something going on.
Yeah, they don't stop them.
You just can't be a black man walking in your tracksuit because what?
There's also
Or have your head up as
You
well.
can't have your hood up because they think you're part of a gang. Yeah.
their own brutality, like they don't use guns, so they think like, oh, since they're not allowed to use guns, they're kind of better and all that. They do
Yeah,
a lot of
still-
dragging.
Yeah.
I think, go on, you know,
Just go.
like, I think if the UK police people did have guns, they would use it
Definitely,
a lot.
yeah,
on black
definitely.
people.
These people have
Definitely.
guns in certain
Definitely.
areas.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like they're not allowed to kind of use it the way they use it in America.
Yeah.
You guys just don't think it's only in America where there's police brutality. It
Yes,
happens
yeah.
in the UK. Young people, especially young men, are
Yeah.
going through it. We're losing young men because what they're wearing a little tracksuit, what they've got the wood, the
Man wear
hoodie up.
durag.
There's
Yeah.
a little
Durag.
durag. What? You
Durag.
think he's a suspect just
Or he
because
has
of
his
how
head up
he's
and he's
dressed?
walking along the street.
Yeah.
Especially, you know, when they'll have
Exactly.
the durag, then they'll put their hoodie up and like
Exactly.
kind of like pull it.
Do you know?
in,
Do
like,
you know what?
it's
I've
like,
had
oh.
I've had like my mum telling my brother, "Oh, try not to wear tracksuit
Yes.
just because the police might think you're a suspect. Like just because he's black, he's
Definitely.
wearing.
Yeah.
If a white man, if a white boy was wearing a tracksuit, well,
Don't
no
be
one cares. Like,
nothing.
he's innocent. Oh my god! But what? It's a black man now. What, you want to act a bit?
It's
Yeah.
happened to my brother.
See what I
Coming
mean?
back from Bristol to London, boom, 5 police cars pull out outside the coach station and was like to my brother, "Oh, you're like this person, blah blah." True say, you just come back from Bristol and then you arrest him.
No,
Most of this
my
is like
days.
just misidentity. Like they
Exactly.
get the wrong person. I don't know
Just
whether they
because
think we
he-
all look the same or
Yeah.
I don't know.
Just
It's a
because.
stereotype.
Yes.
It's a stereotype.
It's just a stereotype,
crazy.
and I just think we need a UK, you know, system that educates every single person on Black history,
Right.
pre-slavery as well, like African culture, British people, how they enslaved, you know, Black people as well, because they don't talk a lot about that in the UK education system, and I think that needs to change.
Right.
Definitely.
So we also want to talk about the issues within the Black community itself. The lack of support for our businesses. There's not a lot of support. Like, imagine if every single Black person got together, right? And we all bring our creativity, our talent, our education, and we create our own empire. Why would we have to depend on white people?
Yeah.
On the systems.
The issue is we're dependent on a different race to bring us
Up.
our money. You know what I mean? We can build our own empire. You know what I mean? And we need to stop, you know, bashing Black businesses or having Black on Black crimes and so on.
Gangs, man.
It's just mad, guys.
Yeah, like support your friends.
Yeah.
Like help your friends, promote them. Do not wait until your friend's business has blown before you want to support, because I will not look at you twice.
Trust me.
I will not.
Trust me.
Yeah.
Guys, I feel like I don't know what's going on, but us among Black people need to support each other. Don't just be here looking at what, oh, nothing's not going, like, support each other. It's not a competition. We have to do work together, do this together.
The
Yeah.
other
Get
thing
what I'm
is,
saying.
Black people are lazy.
Let's not lie.
We wait for other people to do things.
Our products, make it make sense.
The beauty shops, the beauty salons.
Guys, when you go to hair shops,
Why is it not black?
You're buying it off an Asian person.
I know.
Exactly. That's
To work together to build our own business, but us Black people, we won't come together like that.
We don't.
really-
Because
I just think we
we're
need
trying to
start doing that. We
compete.
can't be
Have our
relying
own
on
businesses.
what white
Why are we?
if
Why
you
are
Black
we?
girls want to buy,
Yeah, wait.
You buy it off a Chinese person.
Exactly.
Why can't you buy it
From
off
your
a
friend.
Black business?
Exactly.
Because they
Exactly.
understand. If your friend owns a cosmetic business, buy it off
them.
your friend.
Don't support each other.
Why are you going off to China to buy stuff?
Hey, wait.
Better cut that one off.
Why are you buying off Chinese people? Like, I don't understand. And okay, that's a bit racist. Buy off people, buy off black businesses, because we are so creative. We know, like, we are all trying to grind out here, and it's so important that within our community we support one another. If your friend starts a business, promote the hell out of that business, because you never know, you could be the manager of that business, when it grows. So you need to support your friends, support the black community. Just keep supporting, guys, because guys,
promote your friends' YouTube channel as well.
Don't
just watch and make your little side comments. Oh, she's not gonna go anywhere, because when I get somewhere, okay.
Tell them.
No comments.
Tell them.
I'll leave that when I get there.
Guys, like, as you can see, these girls here, they've supported me with my business, Juicy Cosmetic.
Juicy
I really want to thank them for just purchasing my products and so on.
You're welcome, sis.
And thank you guys. And it just shows, like, supporting my business. They didn't know how I looked before, but all they wanted to do is support. So they purchased my products, you know what I mean? So yeah, guys, Juicy Cosmetics would be down below if you want to purchase my products.
Support, guys. Support the business. Support the business, guys.
Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much.
To say, but you guys just stopped.
It's
gone, but it's gone now. I think it was so important, but it's cool.
Okay, if you have anything, we'll just turn on the camera. And yeah, okay guys, so that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe Miriam's Lifestyle. Let's go, 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 go!
That juicy thing, I say a lot of juicy, baby.
Yeah,
she's gonna cut it. You recording beats as well?
Yeah, I do.
You posted it.
Okay, phones, guys.
Wow, couple goes.